And it goes a little something like.
Good morning, guys. I'm doing my makeup. But right now I'm being quiet because my boyfriend is sleeping. I'm doing my makeup. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today I am doing like a weekly weekend in my life, like weekend vlog, because this weekend is incredibly busy. Just today alone is incredibly busy because right now I'm going to my spa. I have a client at 10:30. It is 9:45 right now. So I have to do that facial, and then after the facial I have to drive to Rosemont because I have to do 3 makeups for like a girls' night out. So that's why I'm in all black today. I don't know if you can see, but I have my all black on. So I'm gonna do makeup there in Rosemont, and then after that I have to drive to my mom's house because we're celebrating my dad's birthday today. He is turning 50 tomorrow, and so we're celebrating that. His sister, my aunt, is in town, and it'll just be really fun, but it's just so busy. I'm like, go today. So I have to get to my spa to do my facial, but I was like whispering when I was like putting my makeup on because my boyfriend's sleeping in my room that's like connected to the bathroom, so I was trying to be quiet. But I did my makeup. I didn't add any mascara because if you know from my other video, I don't like wearing mascara. It irritates my eyes. But yeah, let me get to my so I'm actually back at my apartment because my client just canceled on my way there, which it happens. This is like the part of having a business that kind of sucks, but honestly my day is like so busy that sometimes when people cancel, I'm like, honestly, that's fine. It's fine. Like, I'm like, that's fine. It's usually almost always on the weekends where people cancel or no show. At least she like canceled so that I didn't go there, set up, and then she just like didn't show up. That kills me. But I wanted to show you guys that this does happen sometimes, and if you plan on starting a business one day, people cancel on you last minute. It happens. Now I'm gonna go make some breakfast because actually I was starving anyways. So let me go make some. So for breakfast I'm taking these tortillas and I'm making eggs. I put this seasoning on it. You see? And then I'm gonna put ham and cheese as well. So I have my egg whites, my ham, and my Munster cheese. So see, I told you I'm running around like crazy today. I am currently going to go to my mom's and I'm gonna help her kind of set up for the party and help like pick up balloons and everything. Just because I told you today is a crazy day. Hold on, let me back up. But yeah, I'm gonna help her pick up balloons and like clean a little bit before this party. Whoa! Before this party at like 4, I think is when it starts. But yeah, I'm driving there now. Wait, I just realized that this moves in the background. That's so cool. This album though, forever will have Bieber fever. Here's his little king crown. So I'm now going to the wedding and I have all my makeup. Yes, I seatbelted it in because I don't want it to fall. And then I got some makeup wipes and some lashes for them. So I got some lashes and I got makeup wipes. And then, oh my gosh, you can't even see me. But I'm gonna go right now to the hotel because it's 1:10 and I have to be there by 2. So I want to go like a little early and make sure that I know what I'm doing and how the parking is, because I don't know how the parking situation is gonna be there. It's always different at these hotels. But yeah, I'm gonna drive there right now. So I'm here at the hotel where I'm doing the makeup. It's called the Rose Hotel by Hilton. It's really pretty. And I wanted to get here a little early because I wanted to make sure with the parking situation, but it was not bad. I parked right up front. So I'm a little early, so I'm just gonna chill for a second and then I'm gonna go in. Setting up my makeup. They're all coming now. But I'm just grabbing stuff I know that I need. Yeah, it's cute. Trying all these sodas. I'm gonna get my first.
This is the best soda already.
Old school sodas.
Is that where we had that foot race?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Good morning, guys. It is now Sunday, and we are going right now to my grandma's house for breakfast because it's my dad's actual birthday. I'm at my mom's house right now and we're gonna eat some breakfast there, and then I think we're gonna go to some breweries, but yeah. So we just went to a brewery, which is what I just showed, but I wanted to show you guys because last night my dad and my uncle picked up this treadmill. Let me show you, which I'm so happy to use. Oh my gosh, so they're gonna put this together probably like today or tomorrow. But what's really nice is it has like this like let's see if it focuses. It has like somebody training, so it's kind of like the Soul Cycle or like stuff like that, and then they have like the Bluetooth. But I'm so happy to have a treadmill. You're so cute. This is my mom's dog, Daisy. Daisy, she's so cute. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. You're so cute. So pretty. I'm just drinking some coffee. So we also got this for my dad for his birthday, which is like a cool bar, and then you could like put some snacks. We got this from Costco. It's super cool. It'll look nice on the patio when this is all set up for summer. Ooh, I got a package. Cute. Ooh, okay. So I got like a little vitamin C serum and a glycolic serum. Okay. Glycolic and a vitamin C from the company that sent me this. They sent me some free stuff. But yeah, cool. The measurable difference. I'm gonna have to try these out. Okay guys, it is now Monday morning. Last night we just watched a movie, and then I went home and just kind of like went to sleep, and so I didn't really get to record like an outro for this vlog. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.